In this video we will be discussing how to access the eLearning Helpdesk, and how to fill out the submission form. To begin the process of submitting a ticket to the eLearning Helpdesk, go to the front page of the eLearning website and locate the eLearning Helpdesk link at the bottom of the page located underneath the Info section. Click on it to be directed to the Helpdesk page. While on this page you will have access to the 3 most common problems experienced by the platform's users. Then, select your respective issue to be greeted with the Submit a Ticket display. This contains a set of fields that are required to be filled. These fields are email confirmation. You put your email here, first name, last name, ID number, your course code, the activity type, the activity title, and a summary of your problem. You can also select the priority you wish to assign to your ticket. A description is also available if you need to provide longer details or more specific information. The attachment field provides the ability to submit pictures or documents related to the ticket. Once you have filled out the ticket and its respective fields, locate the Send button at the bottom of the page and click on it. With this final step, we have demonstrated how to access the eLearning Helpdesk and how to fill out the submission form.